This is AMYRA'S Kitchen.
Hello everyone. Today we bought this kit for Amyra. This is called Animal Kingdom, which helps kids to learn about animals. Let's open it. This kit have a mat which having scenery on it. It also have Velcro which helps to stick animals cutout on it. We have 20 animal cutouts and 10 double-sided flashcards. These flashcards have information about animals. Let's get started. Which animal you want first?
Doggy. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof. Yes.
This. Tell me, what dog eat?
Bone.
Horse. Yeah, horse live in a
Two. Yeah.
What is this?
Zebra.
Show me.
Jungle.
Okay,
Zebra living in a jungle. Oh no, my zebra! There's a monkey.
Monkey.
Yeah.
Monkey live on a where?
Tree.
Good job. Next. Which animal? What is this?
Squirrel.
Squirrel live in a
This.
yeah, very good. Squirrel eat.
Nuts.
Good job. Next.
Cow. Ooh. Ooh.
And where cow live? Now next. Tell me what cow gives us.
Milk.
What is this?
Hippo.
Show me.
Too big. Too big animal.
Yeah. Now
Rats.
what is this?
Rat.
Rat. Okay. What rat eat?
Cheese.
Cheese.
Eh?
Yeah, there. Yay.
Yay. Lion. Roar. In the
Lion live in a den.
Den.
Next animal.
Rhinoceros.
Wow. Where he live? There.
No, there.
Okay. What is next animal?
Sea.
Show me.
Sea. Papa.
Where sheep live?
There.
Say in a sheepfold.
Ship. Fold.
This side. This side. This side.
There.
No.
There.
Good job.
This
What is this?
is bigger.
Yeah. Say loudly. What is this?
Is deer.
What deer eat?
Grass.
And leaves.
Hill. Jungle. There's jungle.
Yeah. Not there. Okay.
There?
Yeah. Now next.
Gorilla. Go, 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 go.
Show me. Show me. Show me.
There.
Yeah.
Gorilla. It's not a big gorilla.
Where gorilla lives? Good.
Oh, it's camel.
Yeah. Where camel live? No.
There.
No.
There.
This side. This side.
This side.
On a desert.
This side.
Where? No, no, no. Down, down. Yeah. Yeah. Good job. What is this?
Go, 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 go. Get down.
Okay. Where turtle live?
Just put it.
Yeah. Now next.
Rabbit. Go, 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 go.
Where rabbit live?
Jungle.
Okay.
And bear.
Show me. What is this?
Bear.
What bear eat? Amara, what bear eat?
Grass.
And honey.
Honey.
Where bear live?
Jungle.
Yeah.
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 This.
What is this?
Giraffe.
Show me properly. What is this?
Giraffe.
Yeah.
It's having long neck.
Yeah. Where he live?
Jungle.
Yeah.
There.
Okay.
Elephant.
It's a big animal
Big animal.
and having
Trunk. Oh, crocodile.
show me.
There. Go, 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 go.
What is this?
Crocodile.
Where it live?
This one.
Good job. Where is monkey? How is monkey say?
Yes. Bananas.
Yeah, monkey like bananas.
Yes.
And next, lion. Where is lion? Where is Oh, like this.
Go.
A lion likes.
Me.
Yeah. Next is a giraffe. Where is giraffe? Where is giraffe?
There
Yeah.
we go.
And giraffe eats plants.
Plants.
Yeah. And having
A long leg.
next is a rhinoceros.
Dinosaur.
Rhinoceros is a big animal.
Big animal.
Next, hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus. Boo, 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 boo.
Hippo also big animal.
Big animal. Boo.
Now gorilla. Where is gorilla? Where is gorilla? No, where? Where? No. Yeah. How gorilla say? Like this. Where is a crocodile?
Here I am. How do you?
How crocodile says? Where is rat?
Here I am. Here I am.
How rat says? And what rat eats?
Cheese.
Where is a camel?
Here I am.
What camel eats?
Grass.
Where camel lives? In the desert.
Desert.
Where is a squirrel?
Here I am. Here I am.
What squirrel eat?
Nuts.
Where is a horse?
Here I am.
Where horse live?
Seven.
What horse eat?
Eating the grass. Eating grass.
Where is a rabbit?
Here I am.
What rabbit eat?
Eat a carrot
And vegetables.
and vegetables.
Where is an elephant?
Here I am.
What elephant eat?
Drinking water.
Grass.
Grass.
Elephant having long trunk.
Long trunk.
And elephant, how elephant says?
Moo.